Obosagani ni chibura buri chiabiri chikoenekiwa imeyense asama tukabwangoiga nigo mubunge bw'ensemo y'ebunge ya West Mugrango Stephen MOGAKA aganirie ewizara y'oburendi bw'eimeyense koerera igoro y'OMOROBERIO ebwate erikoenekia buna ebikoro ebio ngokianabire imeyense nobotwerera uko bao buna enchira eyemo yokorenda enibokorwa gosariwa naboigo obogima gotasira ase nkwana ya ebusi bw'ebunge enene ase omuchio Nairobi.
These recurring incidents, Mr. Speaker, have denied bereaved families the opportunity to mourn in dignity. It has exposed mourners to fear and possible physical harm, and it has undermined the very constitutional rights to security, peaceful assembly, and freedom of association that are fundamental rights under our 2010 Constitution. Honorable Speaker, it is against this background that I request for a statement from the chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Administration and Internal Security on the following. Number one, the measures being taken by our government to curb the rising incidents of political violence and insecurity, particularly the disruption of funeral ceremonies and other lawful public gatherings across the country. Number two, the status of investigations into the recent incidents in Nyamira County, one of which I personally recorded as an OB, particularly the disruption of funeral gatherings in Bomachoge, Borabu, and my West Mugrango constituency. Thirdly, Mr. Speaker, what steps are being taken to put in place to strengthen police presence and ensure adequate security during funeral ceremonies, political meetings, and other lawful public gatherings in order to safeguard public safety and protect constitutional rights? Mr. Speaker, I hope as an Adventist, during these camp meetings ongoing, these goons do not extend their tentacles there, and it is on that note, Mr.